G'day everyone, Artist Wayne here reporting for duty and signing up to ride with those famous Watos boys. And you can tell by the fast and furious pace that we're on a Super Sam ride. But the most amazing thing to come out of today's ride was that we were joined by Gary and Mick. I never thought I'd see them again after their last ride with Super Sam because he tried to kill them. And they have the torn ligaments and mental scars to prove it. Obviously they have balls of steel, or a death wish. Also riding today was the one and only King of Kurrumbong, Big Jared, and the pin-up boy, who would slow down in front of me on every hill we came to today. Just look at him go. Clearly he wants to put some distance between us before our next hill. Oh, now the King of Kurrumbong's stopping on hills. And even Super Sam's having trouble today. You won't see that often. Clearly it's still slippery in the wet and wild Watagan State Forest of New South Wales, Australia, as Adrian the pin-up boy found out. after a quick break at Olney Headquarters Campground, where we ate all of Mick's snakes, Super Sam then put me in charge and let me lead the ride. That's when everything turned to shit. And Adrian the pin-up boy was once again stopping in front of me.
Yeah, straight up there, yeah.
It's here that I gave Super Sam a bit of a bum steer and told him to go left. Should have gone right up the centre. Thankfully, my bald rear tyre prevented me from making the same mistake.
Poor Sam. Hook that, just drag it across.
What do you think of me leading the ride so far, Super Sam?
Oh, he did it easy. He did it easy. The big man, the king of Kurrambong. Oh, he's fallen now.
After those shenanigans, Sam took over and I was not allowed to lead ever again. Check this out, boys and girls. This is what you do when you make a mistake on a hill and somebody tries to pass you. Oh, and I've been penalised by the umpire. Another top day riding with the famous Wato's boys, and another day where I didn't drop my brand new 2020 WR250R once, not once. I'm artist Wayne Dowson, and thanks for watching, everyone.